Hi everyone, so we come back again this week for the next lab session under automotive ergonomics. So strictly we go to week 6. So here I already uploaded the occupant packaging for this lab session. So you can download this first, okay? So after you download here, the occupant packaging. So the synopsis is vehicle occupant packaging is the process of laying out the interior of vehicles to achieve the desired level of accommodation, comfort, and safety for the occupant. So for this session, we are primarily focused in occupant packaging for the driver workstation. Okay, so in the theory, okay, the driver package usually refer to the location and adjustment range of a steering wheel. Here we have a steering wheel and seat with respect to the pedal. So pedal here, but also encompasses the physical location of controls and display which the driver interacts. So nowadays, in the car instrument, they got a lot of device such as a touch screen, the knobs, etc. So analysis of interior and exterior driver vision zone, both direct and indirect using mirror, side mirror, is also typically considered as a part of packaging practice. Okay, the next one. The maximum handlage data are provided in SAE standard J287. SAE is a Society Automotive Engineering, okay, developed also by Henry Ford, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so the reach distance are based on the control reach study conducted by the SAE. So they can come up with this kind of plan view and also side view. Okay, they have AHP, accelerator hill point. Okay, here. So in this, so this view showing the side view of the car. So this one is X axis, and then this one Z axis, and then the Y is for the lateral axis. Okay. So this one is a plan view. So from here we can see the maximum hand reach. Okay, here for the side view, and also for top view also we have see the maximum reach of hand. So here, okay. So in the SAE standard J287, okay, they have provide a tables. So in this table, they have a combination of the three variable. So number one is a type of restraint used by the driver, okay, and then so the second variable is based on the G value, and then the third variable is based on the male to female population mix. So in this figure, okay, showing the reach contour here, the maximum reach contour. So from the reach contour, actually they generate two complex surface, one for each hand in the 3 dimension. So the figure here, 3.21, okay, present the cross section of the reach surface at different lateral location. Okay, lateral location negative 400, 300, 200, and so on. Okay, for the left hand and also the right hand. So this one generated from the table J287. So in order to give you a good view for this study, okay, I share you this figure. So from the data, actually they come out like this figure, isolating surface, something like this. Okay, so come back to our lab session. So in this session, you require a pencil or pen, okay, a digital camera, and ergonomic evaluation form, which is attached in this document under appendix. Okay, so the procedure is number one, your group need to choose the car segment, okay, as I mentioned below here. Okay, let's say for group A, you choose B segment car. So in your group, you have 5 members, right? So minimum, so all the group members, sorry, so the all group members must choose only the model under segment B. Okay, once you have choose the segment B, so you only need to choose the model under segment B only. Okay, so once you choose the car segment and then the model, okay, the next one, each group need to evaluate minimum 5 cars in the same segment selected. Okay, you may visit a car showroom to have a proper car evaluation experience. So this one I encourage you to go to a car showroom and experience by yourself uh, to evaluate the car, to evaluate the ergonomics of the car itself. So student is required to sit properly on the driver's seat before you start the evaluation. Okay. For suitable driving seat position, a student may refer to the lab session video briefing. So here I attach the correct driving seat position. Okay, credit to the Jaguar actually. So this one you need to follow this kind of driver seat position. Okay. So you required to take a photo by using the item as I mentioned in evaluation form. So in evaluation form, we have several items that you need to uh, check or you need to evaluate. Okay, the in terms of the reachability, the understandability. So later on, we see the item inside of the evaluation form. Okay, so this photo required as evidence that you do it in the proper way. So in the evaluation form, you need to provide a rating in the for each model that you evaluate. So I show you the evaluation form. Yeah. So for each car, you need to choose a car segment. Okay, like example, segment B. Okay, so segment B, car model listed here. Let's say segment B, you choose a Honda HRV. So you need to put a name for Honda HRV and also the model year of Honda HRV. Okay. So here I go back to my evaluation form. So car segment, okay, you put the model, the segment here. Okay, the model, car name, and also the year of the car. So the item that you need to evaluate is start from item 1, okay, inside door handle, door pull handle, door lock, windows, okay, until item number 37. So for each item, you need to check the evaluation criteria here. Okay, number 1, like a visibility, okay, obstruction and reflection. Okay, and then second one, grouping, association, and expected location. Okay, so inside example I mentioned here, inside door handle. Okay, so when you're sitting in the car, you can see clearly the inside door handle here, usually at the side here, at the side of the car door handle. So you can provide the rating from not applicable. So if you choose not applicable, that's mean the car don't have any inside door handle. That one is impossible. So you can choose maybe 1 to 2. Okay, the mid 3, high is 4 to 5. So inside the door handle, visibility. Okay, you can see clearly the visibility. They have a chrome, a good aesthetic value. So you can put maybe 4. Okay, the grouping association and expected location. So we usually put at the door panel for this inside door handle. So let's say this car have a door panel, outside of the door. Sorry, let's say this car have a inside door handle, outside of the door panel. So the rating might be low because usually the inside door handle we put at the at the door panel, right? And then the identification level. So maybe this one is not applicable because when we see, we know that one is the inside door handle. Okay, so graphic also not required. So usually graphic and identification for the control display like odometer, like for the air conditioner level, heating level, something like that. And then understandability. Okay, when you see, you can understand, oh, that one is a inside door handle. And then the maximum and minimum comfortable reach distance. So once you sit in the car position in the proper way, as guided in the video that I uploaded in a Ulen, so you try to reach the inside door handle. Is it comfortable or not? Okay, maybe not so down, not so lower or so higher. Then you can provide the rating here. So if a good, then you can provide 4 to 5 rating. And then the control area clearance and also the grasping. So is it easy for you to grasp the door handle? Either it's too smaller or too bigger, so you can provide the rating. And then the last one, the control movement, effort and operability. So is it for you need to have a high force to open the door? If you have a higher force, you may provide a low rating. So it goes to the next item like door pull handle, okay, door lock, mirror control, okay, ignition switch, okay, the speedometer, fuel gauge, PRD, NL, parking, reverse, neutral, okay, driving, low display for the gear actually. So the radio, okay, the windshield defrost, hazard switch. So you need to evaluate all these 37 items. Okay. Okay, so once you finish provide the you give an evaluation for the cars. Okay, you need to tabulate all the data from evaluation form into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so after that, you need to provide the graph for each questionnaire versus car model that have been evaluated. So here I give you an example on how to tabulate your data. Okay, so here, let's say you have a HRV car evaluation form. Okay, so you need to put the value here. Okay, like example here. Okay, how to create the graph like this. Okay, you can highlight all this item. Okay, and then you go into insert, and then you choose a recommended chart. Okay, from this recommended chart, okay, you choose this one first. Okay, and then you can change the data set. So you switch row or column here. Okay, so I make it bigger. Okay, so it becomes like this. So for the car, for the next car, you can put another sheet here. Okay, you do the same thing. Okay, so again here, I want to remind you, if you have select 8 car model to be evaluated, so you will have 8 graph to be plotted. So so from this graph, okay, all the graph you need to compare each other. So from this comparison, okay, you will discuss at least 5 most lowest rating for a reachability item evaluated in a evaluation form. So for this discussion, okay, you need to describe the difficulties or issue faced for this item. Okay, you need to provide photo and a proper labeling of a component for these issues. So example here. Okay, so you see here the example, the inside door handle, you see this one compared to this one. So this one is the position is very low. So it's difficult for the driver to open the door. So this one is the one of the problem in packaging, the occupant packaging. Okay, so as compared to this figure on the right hand side, okay, the inside door handle, this was easier to use because of the height mounted inside the door. Okay, so I hope that you understand what we discussed here. So hopefully that you can provide a good report, okay, a good experience from this session. Okay, so that's all from me. So if you have further question for this lab session, you might ask your teaching engineer. Okay, so that's all from me. So good luck. Have a nice day. Thank you.